Okay, what happens when you get to a cube number and they ask you to cube root it? Remember that little 3 over there means it's a cube root, but that number's too big, or you don't remember your cube numbers because, I mean, let's face it, that happens. So again, you're going to use your prime factorizing method, that t-table. Please remember, you can only divide by prime numbers, otherwise this will not work. Okay, so let's do a t-table for 216. It's even, so I'm just going to keep it simple, divide by 2. Half of 216 is 108. I'm going to divide by 2 again, which gives me 54. Divide by 2 again. Now this gives me 27. I cannot divide that by 2, but another prime number I can divide by is, that's my dog, sorry, is 3. So if I divide 27 by 3, I get 9. Divide that by 3, I get 3. And divide that by 3, I get 1. Remember, the whole goal here is not only to divide by prime numbers, but it's to get to 1 right at the end. That's when you know you're finished. Now, it's slightly different from square numbers in the fact that you're looking for cube. And remember, cube is represented by a 3. So you're not going to look for pairs of the same prime numbers or prime factors. You're going to look for groupings of 3. So I can see I've got 3 2s, and I have 3 3s, right? Those are my groupings, which basically just means that over here, your cube root would be a 2 with a 3. You multiply them together and you get 6, which means that the cube root of 226 is 6. And you're done.